Hey kendolls, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys the ASHINE bundles from TikTok. If you want to see how we achieve this look, then keep on watching. This is the dust bag that my bundles came in. I got a 2x5 closure, and this is how it looked. Very bouncy, soft. The lace was really good. Very natural hairline and easy to work with. I got 4 bundles of deep wave. They're very bouncy, shiny, full of life. The ends were full. This is how they looked. I loved the hair upon arrival, so I just knew that my hair was gonna be cute. And now it's my favorite day, hair appointment day. Y'all, the service came with a wash and blow dry, and I was telling her, like, this is a luxury nowadays. Like, in my very unpopular opinion, paying extra to get your hair washed when it should be included in the service anyways because they do hair is crazy to me, but whatever. I got it included in my service, so I'm very happy about that. So at this point, I was doing my makeup. Yes, so while I was getting my hair done, I was doing my makeup. I'm gonna list like the products that I'm using while I'm using them. And I know that this is very different from like regular hair videos. It wasn't even intentional. I just ended up doing my makeup for the video because I knew that I wanted some pictures for content at the end. So yeah, this is just me doing my makeup while I'm getting my hair done. So anyways, at this point, she had finished washing and blow drying my hair and braiding me down, putting the closure on, and then sewing the bundles on. If you know me, you know I'm very reserved and shy in person, especially when I meet new people. But girl, we were watching TV together, laughing, chatting it up, just vibing. Like, I was really having a time at my hair appointment. I just felt like I could be myself. She was very professional. It was clean in there. It smelled good. 10/10 would recommend. And y'all, this is like my first time getting a sew-in since high school. Like, I've been a wig warrior since I was 19. So me getting a sew-in and going back to my roots and stuff, it just felt very nostalgic. Also, let me know if you guys are interested in seeing an entire video dedicated to my updated soft glam makeup routine. This was also my second time ever having a closure because, girl, I love me a frontal, but I needed something that would last longer than a wig install, and that was also low maintenance. So I went with a closure.
Baby, you summertime fine. I let you get on top, I'll be the underline. Tryna get beside you like the number 9 dime. You fine as hell. I guess I met you for a reason, only time could tell. But well, I'm wondering what type of shit you wanted. Do you like the finer things or you a simple woman? Would you drink with a nigga? Do you smoke weed? Don't be ashamed, it ain't no thing. I used to blow trees, getting lifted. I quit the shit, I might get high with you. It's only fitting cause I'm looking super fly with you. I'm fly with you, I'm powerful, you do something to me. Girl, I caught the vibes like you threw something to me, so I threw them back. Now all my niggas hollering, who is that? Oh boy, she bad, nigga, what you about to do with that? I'm finna take you home, sip a little Patron, now we zone in. Baby, you're so fun. And can I hit it in the morning? Can I hit it in the morning? And can I hit it in the morning? The sun rising while you're moaning. And can I hit it in the morning? Can I hit it in the morning? Hey, can I hit it in the morning? The sun rising while you're moaning. Baby, you wintertime cold. The night is still young, drink that dinner wine slow. I'm trying to make the goosebumps on your inner thigh show. I'll let you beat me there as far as finish lines go. Yeah, and if you gotta leave for work, I'll be right here in the same bed that you left me in. I love thick women cause my aunt, she rode equestrian. I used to go to the stables and get them kids to bet me, and I would always ride the stallions whenever she let me. I'm joking, I mean that thing is poking. I mean you kinda like that girl that's in the US Open. I mean, I got this hidden agenda that you provoking. I got bath water that you can soak in. Things I can do with lotion. Don't need a towel, we can dry off in the covers. And when you think you like it, I promise you gon' love it. Yeah, when lights coming through the drapes and we're both yawning, I roll over and ask if I can hit it in the morning. Yeah, can I hit it in the morning? Yeah, can I hit it in the morning? Yeah, the sun rising while you're moaning. Baby, can I hit it in the morning? Can I hit it in the morning? Yeah, can I hit it in the morning? The sun rising while you're moaning. Hey, God bless the child that can hold his own. God bless the woman that can hold Patron. God bless the homegirl that drove us home. No strings attached like a cordless phone. You see, my intentions with you was clear. I'm learning not to judge a woman by the shit that she wear. Therefore you shouldn't judge a nigga off the shit that you hear. Get all defensive, apprehensive, all because my career. To be fair, I know we barely know each other, and yeah, somehow I wound up in your bed. So where we headed from here? Just say you're scared if you're scared, but if you're through frontin', we can do something. And you know just what I'm talking about. Tomorrow you'll be calling out, cause tonight we getting right into the weed more. Cook a nigga breakfast after sex is like a reward. Then I go my own way, you think about me all day, that's just a warning. And can I hit it in the morning? Can I hit it in the morning? Can I hit it in the morning? The sun rising while you're moaning. Can I hit it in the morning? Can I hit it in the morning? And can I hit it in the morning? The sun rising while you're moaning. Yeah.
Yeah, you can't even sit in peace, cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you gonna lose your time, yeah, waste your time. I mean honestly, open your eyes and see if you gonna give it, you are healthy.
So getting my layers cut was probably my favorite part because I just love layers. Like, it just gives classy, upscale, like I go to Pilates and drive a Range Rover. Like, it just gives. So this is her cutting the layers. She did cut the ends of the hair off though because the bundles were getting a little tangly at the ends. That's honestly the only problem that I had with the bundles. It wasn't like shedding or anything, but they did tangle really badly. You can see in the video, like when she's combing through it, my head is like moving back because it was getting tangly. That's why I was laughing in this part, because I'm just like, girl, like this is so embarrassing.
Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you. You gonna waste your time.
In my honest opinion, the hair is pretty good. It gives me the same vibe as like high quality virgin hair story hair. I did notice like some white strands in the hair, and I don't know what that was about, but although it says human hair, I think it may be mixed with something else.
Close your eyes to get away. Bang my line and I know crazy. Beautiful girl, you stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless. Yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing. Yeah. The 10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class, that's just a starter kit. Plenty things count in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck, this chess games. Can shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon? Swear I'm more Purple Rain Prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment I stay expecting it. The pessimist, gold medalist, flush the magnets just so they not collecting my specimens down. The way she with Poppy, man, you would think she's a veteran on remembrance. Cleaning lady, sweep the room daily for all the evidence of everything I ever did. Do they have a pool there? Do they have a gym there? You used to do skincare, but now you do swimwear. Your ex-roommate got a condo that's downtown, but she got no furniture in her crib. I've been there. Checkmate, even though you hate that I even check, I still get an E for effort. Only time I played it back and forth is a Leah record. If I let you talk first and nobody is speaking second, fluent in passive aggression, that's why you acting dismissive. Hearing me out for once will require you actually listen. Damn, the boy is back, I never turn my back. I just slapped him, so to see is my back. Say that damn Maybach bands with me in the back. When I wasn't accurate, I still couldn't clean on my act. Whenever I tell the truth, you feel like you being attacked, but that come with being attached, so how about we leave it at that? If you gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. You can have all the space.
Yeah, I was obsessed with the way my hair turned out because I usually get side parts, but the middle part curtain bangs ate down. Like, I just felt very classy and put together. Like, it just looks, you know, I look my age with this hairstyle. I love it. It's so cute. I love working with people who are perfectionists, like the way she just kept adding like finishing touches and came back to fix my hair to make sure it was perfect. I love working with people like that because, you know, it makes me feel like they take their job serious and that they're not just, you know, slapping something on my head for a quick buck. Another thing I will add about the hair is I saw people on TikTok saying that they ordered straight hair and it couldn't hold a curl. So I'm thinking, well, let me order body wave since, you know, it's body wave, it'll hold a curl, right? No, this hair still did not hold a curl. After my hair appointment, my curls fell. I ended up having to put flexi rods in my hair, which I don't mind because I love some heatless curls. But yeah, if you're gonna order this hair, just be prepared that the curls are not gonna stay. This is the finished look of my hair. It's very full, soft, natural. It looks so natural, so good. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also go on TikTok and get you these bundles, girl. I love them so far. And yeah, we'll see how they hold up.
So bring your